Look at this. 42 degrees in idle. And with this docking station, this baby is so sexy. The only thing I don't like about this docking station for the T460 is, look at this. You see? The reason why it moves a little bit is because you have this part here. You can see. And the reason they have this design is if you have the large battery for the T460, it will stick out maybe 2 or 3 centimeters. And if you have the large battery, then it can still fit here. So if you don't have the large battery, if you have the standard 3-cell battery, well, it's still good. I mean, I'm complaining, but this is actually not a real complaint. This is just a design issue because this part is very short. But it's okay. I don't mind. And here we have the X230, and I will show you. There you don't have this kind of issue. The reason is, oh wait, maybe you have the same issue there as well. But here I have the larger battery sticking out. But this is not the largest battery, this is the 6-cell battery, and the X230 has one larger, which is the 9-cell, this one. And the small one, which is the 4-cell, that one doesn't stick out, but the standard one is this one, the 6-cell battery. And yeah, this one is good. This one is better. But I think the reason is because of the... Yeah, it's because of the battery. So if you have the T460 and if you have the large 9-cell battery, you will have a crazy battery runtime, and this will also not shake so much, but actually it doesn't matter. Look at this laptop, it's so sexy. Oh yeah.